Hey everybody, Nate and Greg here with the Muscle Shack. We decided that we were going to give you guys a gym tour during this quarantine time and just show you what we have that makes us unique and Walla Walla's hardcore gym.
We're following all the guidelines. We got 6 feet apart from each other, and we got our masks. What do you think? Should we head on in and give them a tour?
Let's do it. It's hot out there. All right, nice clean gym air. So before we get started with the tour, we wanted to say thank you to all of our members that are sticking with us during this closed time. We know it's been very hard to not have you guys here, and we appreciate everything you guys do for us. And during this time, we've been making improvements to the gym, trying to make things as clean and as ready for you guys when you come back and we're allowed to open up again. When you first walk into our gym, the first thing you're going to notice is we have a record board here. We have a lot of strong individuals in our gym that like to display their numbers, and we always encourage friendly competition. We actually have 3 deadlift platforms that are here in the front of the gym. You can deadlift or do any kind of Olympic movements. Over here we have a mono lift. This is specifically for squatting, big heavy weight. We have a deadlift jack to help you guys with your deadlift. Over here we have a road rack system that's kind of been put together to make it like a rig, and it's got various pull-up bars. It's really helpful to have multiple squat racks because there's a lot of people that don't skip leg days here, so they want to squat. That's important.
Hey, didn't see you there. Welcome. So check it out. I'm going to show you the second half of the front room. We got a row machine. We got pull down. We got barbells. We've got dumbbells going all the way up to 120 as well. We'd like to get them to go heavier, and that's the goal. We will. For all you guys that like to do chest day, dip bar. We got a preacher curl. We got mirrors so that way you can look at your pretty muscles. We've also got a cable crossover machine and every attachment that you can imagine that goes to it. Lots of options.
We're going to show you the next room of our gym, your strongman grand central of the gym. You're going to have your Atlas stones here. You're going to have your yoke, and in order to do the yoke and things like that, we actually have this track here. It's 35 feet down and back, so you get about 70 feet total. We do have a sled here with a rope, and then there's some harnesses and stuff like that, so if you want to drag the sled. We have various sandbags, which we're always getting more of. Those are super challenging, and we did a workout on those online. You can check it out. Over here is our custom-made Atlas stone platforms, our loading platforms. You can do keg loading, you can do Atlas stone loading, sandbag loading, really anything you want that has to do with loading. We have 3 sizes of logs, 12-inch diameter, 10-inch, and then 8-inch. We have various axle bars throughout the gym. We only have 1 circus dumbbell right now, but we do have 2 others that have been purchased, but with quarantine we can't go get them. Then we'll go over and explain this other equipment.
In this room, we have a lot of specialization machines right across from the strongman stuff. Nautilus crunch machine, I love that machine. We got a pullover, got a reverse hyper. We've got a, what's this called, Greg?
It's a GHD.
We've got a GHD, what's that stand for?
Glute ham developer.
We've got a glute ham developer. Calf raise machine. Over here we've got our office, and keep in mind at all times, you are under our supervision. You can get away with nothing. We're
gonna go into the 3rd back room of the gym. Keep towels stocked and clean for the members. When you first walk in, you're gonna see our cardio section here. Now obviously our gym is not cardio center, so we're not gonna have every cardio piece of equipment, but we have enough to get you by. Elliptical, 2 treadmills, an Airdyne bike, and then we have a Concept 2 rower. We actually have 2 Airdyne bikes. There's another one out there in the front. Leg curl, laying down prone. You're gonna have a seated leg extension. This is an ab machine here. And then this is actually a pretty cool machine. This is a lumbar spine pec deck fly machine here. That's a good one. At this back wall here, inclined leg press, low row machine, and then we also have a standing calf raise machine there, and then a drinking fountain there for your guys' thirsty muscles. And then we're gonna head outside and we're gonna show you guys some stuff outside.
Come on outside. Back here we have a little bit more parking, and you can bring equipment out here as long as you're respectful, take care of it. Things like, the yoke or doing farmer's carries. We do have Gigantor tires test your might on that. Boxes, so you can do box jump. And this here is our pride and joy of the whole gym. We boast a half-court challenge your friends to a friendly game of basketball.
And we hope to see you guys coming here soon. We always encourage any new lifters or anybody who wants to get in shape, just come on by the Muscle Shack, and we're a family over here. You can go online to themuscleshackgym.com, or you can go to Facebook or Instagram. We'll send links in the video below. Just hit us up if you have any questions or want to come by.